Hi, my name is Biswas, roll number 21CH10022 of section 10, and this is my second DIY project in Tinkercad, in which I have made a room automation system. In this, I have used an Arduino Uno, a breadboard, PIR sensor, a photoresistor, a resistance of 1 kilo ohm, a relay SPDT, a power supply, and a light bulb. The circuit works on the principle that if someone or something approaches near the PIR sensor, it will cause the bulb to glow. I have ensured that the system functions only when light intensity is low to prevent wastage of power. Let's check the simulation. Let us first check under low light intensity case. The photoresistor is working already at low light intensity case. In such a case, if the object is within the range of the PIR sensor, it will cause the bulb to glow. And if it goes out of the range, within some time, the bulb will turn off. Now, let us go and check for high light intensity condition. For a high light intensity condition, even when the object is within the range of the PIR sensor, the bulb will not glow. And of course, it does not glow when the object goes out of the range. Let's stop the simulation. For the block coding, I introduced three variables: the light sensor val, the PIR sensor val, and the relay output val. The light sensor val reads from the analog pin A0. The PIR sensor val reads from the digital pin 2, and the relay output val reads from the digital pin 8. I have grounded the breadboard with this black wire with the help of the Arduino, and I've used these red wires in order to connect this breadboard with the 5-volt point. The logic that this circuit works upon is if the light sensor val is less than 600, which means a low light intensity condition, it will check the PIR sensor val is high or not, which means that whether any object is within the vicinity of this PIR sensor. If such a case happens, then the pin 8 will be set to high, and consequentially the bulb glows. It glows for 5 seconds, and if within those 5 seconds the object goes out from the range of the PIR sensor, the bulb will turn off. Else, in any other conditions, the bulb will not glow. For the text, now we need to check whether the text code which has been generated is properly executing in Arduino IDE. In order to do that, let's go to block and text, and we'll copy this code and we'll paste the code right here. The text code that has been generated from Tinkercad has been successfully compiled in Arduino IDE. This was my Arduino based project for the DIY assignment 2. Thank you, sir.